Right, let's roll.
Let's go.
Whoa.
See, it's quite wobbly.
It looks uncomfortable to ride.
To get this on a camera. Served me my burger so that it looks like Sansa from Game of Thrones. I'll take that. Someone just bought herself a camera. That means we now got a two-man film crew.
Yes, two-man film crew now.
Yes, two-man film crew. Okay, we're really going to Margaret River now. We just keep stopping and getting ice cream and having a burger and buying a camera. Looks. And I need a wee too.
Sorry.
But yeah. Now I promise we're off to Margaret River. Could you read that sign? Could you?
No.
Blah 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 blah. Oh. That was a close one.
Hold on.
This is just a test. Do you still work? I dropped it. This way or this way?
Yep, no, we're gonna go this way.
Here she goes. So we, just to let you know, we just turned off the main road because it just looked quite cool. I even made her turn around on the motorway. Rather than getting out and going for a wander like most people would, we've decided to drive. Four-wheel drive in this non-four-wheel drive car through the bush. And but there's tyre tracks. However, there was a van parked
oh my god,
on its own, random in the middle of the bush.
Children's boots.
Oh my god, this kid's where?
Fuck. Oh my god. Oh, this place does not look safe.
Have any of you guys seen Wolf Creek? Don't stop the car, is all I'll say. Duck! Will we get under the bush?
Oh my god.
Maybe it's like a camping spot here.
We're screwed.
Alright, maybe we should turn around.
Now we're going to be able to find our way out.
There was a fly.
Okay, let's get out of here. Quick.
It's okay, don't panic. You're stressing.
I'm not panicking. I'm tough. But it's the last time I listen to you.
Just don't get stuck in the
Quick,
sand.
go fast, go fast, go fast.
Oh!
Go fast. Oh,
How are you going to see the van? Oh, I don't like these noises that we hear.
no, I need to go.
We must look so dodgy driving through here.
Oh, there's the van.
There's the van. Oh, have you going to see me filming?
Oh my god. It's so weird.
That's the van. We're almost out of it now.
Oh. I reckon that's a trick sign, that winery sign.
Yeah, he said winery. We just...
Oh, no, that way? We ain't risking it.
Should we go back to the highway?
It's a trap.
So we just had another stop. We out at Margaret River just yet. We're not far away. Maybe another hour. We managed to find this one. A 5 years plus skateboard.
Check it out.
The big red beast back there.
A little bit blurry.
So I guess the plan is today and tomorrow is to cruise around our skateboards. So we stopped off just again, this time at Busselton. Main reason being, it's got a jetty, or also known as a pier, that's 1.8 kilometers long. This is where we're here. Hopefully I'll get the drone up and we'll come for a little skate.
That way.
There's the pier over there. Tell you what, always bring your penny board when you go travelling. It's the best way of getting around. It's free and fun. That drone flight went so good. I almost got it to the full end of the jetty, but I didn't want to risk losing it. Still got a long trip to go. Yeah, Busselton's really cool. Very small, but pretty cute. I hope you like the drone footage. Sunset jumping photos! We still haven't booked any accommodation. We got a bit carried away with skating and flying the drone. What is it now? 7 o'clock nearly?
Oh yeah, pretty much.
We're still like half an hour away from our destination, but it's just so pretty. one around. There's no people at all. Fresh air's doing us good as well. Being cooped up in that car all day. We're going now. We're going to Margaret River. We need to find some accommodation because we haven't booked anywhere. And we're a little bit hungry. Oh, we got crisps. Oh, dinner sorted. Alright, we've made it to Margaret River, finally. We had nothing booked tonight, we still haven't, but we've just stopped at this YHA and hoping that they've got some rooms free. Oh, wish me luck. It's gone 8 o'clock, the reception's closed. Uh-oh, we've got nowhere to stay. Okay, we've stopped somewhere else, hoping they've got a room that's not going to cost a fortune as well. Because it's not a hostel. It says vacancies out the front. It's only like 20 past 8. I can't believe we've managed to get into a room. It might have cost us a little bit more, but you know, hey ho. Sweet! Better than hostel, high five, mate. Fuck you.